Lot of my friends ask me, Monica, festive season is all round. Should we replace our entire wardrobe? I do. Any guess what I answer? To know this, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Hey friends, welcome back to another episode of Prime Beauty. I am Monica, and if you're new here, then please subscribe my channel if you haven't, because today I'm going to show you how to transform your plain golden skirt into many ways. Basically 5 different ways. So watch the video till the end and please like it. Let's see what are they. First look is very easy to wear. I paired my casual pink kurti under the plain golden skirt, which looks so sober and stylish. You can take bandhe chunni to give a heavy look, teamed up with light makeup and open hairs, and you are ready to go. Another is this look. This is my favorite one. I paired this skirt with a high neck brocade blouse and with a classy vibrant Banarsi pink dupatta. Brocade blouse is so much in trend these days. I got this blouse stitched 4 years back for my wedding. Teamed up with heavy studded earrings, a twin ring, mang tika, and a high chic bun, which is perfect modern Indian ethnic look. This feels so princessy and beautiful. So go ahead and splurge. Third look is a semi-western classy look. Long plain golden skirt with full sleeves black top looks so versatile and elegant. I pair it with high heels golden juti with light makeup done. And this look is perfect for morning Indian functions. It looks so peppy and beautiful. And you can wear this look anytime. Here comes the fourth look. In this look, I paired the skirt with long orange kurti. All celebs are supporting it. Teamed up with jhumka earrings. This combo is best to give the glamorous and sophistical look. You can also take the matching chunni to give the traditional Indian look. Wear this kind of a look to stand out of the crowd. Fifth look is a complete Bahurani look with beautiful red blouse that I have purchased from Amazon and a red net dupatta with heavy border to give a royal Indian look. I teamed up this look with heavy flament earrings. No need to pair a neck piece on it, as the look is already so heavy and stunning. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then give a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel if you haven't, and don't forget to click that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, keep calm, stay classy, bye bye.